create a sketch on there. Not a 3D sketch. Those two equal, whatever size they are. Now when I sweep them, pick both those as my profile, give it a path. And now I can even add my twist to it. Look like it's doing it. There it is.
Modeling, you're usually going to be doing that.
Yep.
Does it of the intelligence so that
No, it's not gonna not hit stuff. Right? And it's gonna draw it wherever you put the path. But like if I wanted to go around this thing, I would just I'd move my points around it. And this is where I might, do some top-down stuff. So that way I'm only working in 2D. So I can tell it, I want to start on that side of it. I want to go over there. I want to go over here, and there. Now I can look at this way. Tell it to be go above. Here. Here. Now it's going around that thing. So I can, and it's just up to figure out how it's gonna fit in things.
So if you drew that close,
it'll just overlap. Yeah. But then I give it a little twist, that way it'll actually twist around it. As opposed to if I left it at 0, now it looks like it hits it. But I just gave it a little twist. Now it twists around, clears. That's kind of a more advanced kind of thing with this. But it gives you that ability to do those other things. So don't use it all the time, but when you need it, you need it. And so it's kind of the tool to have kind of in your back pocket that you can pull out when you need it. So that's both sweep and loft are